Hey everyone, this is Juhi and I'm from Delhi. So this is the day 17 of my English practice journey, and yes, welcome back on my channel. I shot two videos of day 16 and day 17, and today I am sharing um, about my learning, what I learned here today. And because today I'm not well, so uh, I don't want to face this camera so much. So today I show what I learned today. Okay, so yes, keep watching. So guys, because my neck is choked, so I speak slowly. Okay, so uh, days on day 17, I follow this book. I'm following this book for my uh, word meaning. Yeah, both are included in word meanings, vocabs. Okay, idioms, word substitution, and phrasal verbs. Okay, so now I'm showing you what I learned today. So guys, I learned 10 idioms. Okay, from 11th. A bull in China shop. A extremely odd, awkward person. A burning problem. An urgent, important problem. A cakewalk. An easy achievement. Um, do you think, guys, English speaking is a cakewalk? Tell me in a comment box, okay? A can of worms, a complicated situation or problem, a change of heart, a change in one's opinion, okay? A chip of old block, a one who looks similar to his parents, a close fisted man, miser, yani कंजूस, a close shave, a narrow escape, a closed book, a mystery. Okay. And guys, do you know about a Padmanabha Swami Mandir, which is located in a Kerala? And I think that temple is a closed book. Okay, a close-fisted man, a miserly person. Okay, today I learned only 10 idioms. Now I am showing you phrasal verbs. Guys, again I learned it from 11th. Break into, to intrude, जबरदस्ती घुसपैठ करना, break off, to suddenly stop doing or saying something, bring about, to cause something to happen, bring up, to rear a child, call for, to ask, call off, to cancel something, call on, do, to pay a visit. Okay, when you want to, when you go anywhere, you can say call on. Okay, call upon, to order, come up, to happen. Okay, so this video come up on 7 p.m. day 17. Okay, so now guys, I show you some of synonyms. Okay, or I am telling you how I learned synonyms or vocab. So guys, I learn on this word like every word. When I learn every word, I learn its synonym. Okay, when I say every word, I can say shorten, I can say curtail, I can say trim, I can say decrease. Every word मतलब lesson, condense, abridge, contract, compress. Here I am adding another word. Another word is concise. When you abbreviate something, you use concise as a substitute of abbreviate. Okay, so antonym मतलब इसका opposite. Enlarge, expand, extend, increase, amplify, elongate, lengthen, spread, augment, increase. Okay, when you learn something, some word with its meaning, so try to learn with try to learn 5 to 6 synonyms of that word. Okay, so it will help in your vocabulary. Okay, abdicate, renounce, relinquish, surrender, abnegate, abjure, waive, forego, disclaim, footwears, leave. Okay, and its synonym antonym: join, maintain, keep, retain, accompany, add, affiliate, combine, connect, unite, or merge. Okay, so when you learn any vocab, ठीक है, you try to learn any word with its 5 to 6 synonyms. Okay, it will increase your uh, vocab. Okay, so now I am telling what I read in my entire day. Okay, so guys, I read this lesson, how your subconscious removes mental blocks. Okay, I read this lesson, and this is the last lesson of this book, The Power of Subconscious Mind. Okay, now I'm finished. I'm finishing this book, and I think I should order another book, which is magic. Okay, so I am I am ordering book, my next book, and yes, this is what I did my whole day, and yes guys, today I don't want to show you my face, so sorry for that, but yes, thank you for watching, and we'll meet you in a next video. Till then, keep going on, keep believing in yourself, and keep growing and keep learning. Bye bye.